Hey, it's Rob at EMPI. What's in the box? You're gonna find out. All right, so let's say you're building yourself a dune buggy, because why wouldn't you, right? They're great fun, drive them on the road, everybody's happy, everybody's smiling at you. So the challenge is, you've decided it's gonna be a ball joint front end, it's gonna be an IRS rear end. Okay, so how about the 64 different part numbers that are in the buggy and the box kit? Because if you want to make it easy to get yourself a rolling chassis, this is the way to do it. So if you want to know what these 64 different part numbers are, just come to the EMPI website or talk to your EMPI dealer, 9822010. There'll be a whole rundown of what is in the kit, but here's just a few for fun. Ready? Floor pan gasket, floor pan installation kit, pedal assembly, accelerator pedal with roller bearing. We've got brake line coupler rear T, we've got brake line clips, we've got transmission strap kit. Think about all of these little fiddly bits. How many do I need? Do they fit my chassis? It's all here. 64 parts, all here in this box. And your EMPI dealer is ready to get it onto your porch so that you can build the dune buggy you've always wanted. I really don't know what you're waiting for. This makes it easy. The fun stuff is figuring out your interior. What kind of wheels and tires are you gonna do? You've got this, you can move on faster, more efficiently, spend less time digging around, trying to figure out, does this fit with that? Let's get more dune buggies back on the road. Let's get more VW air-cooled dune buggies back on the road today. Doesn't matter if it's a Manx, any other fiberglass dune buggy body kit, this is the way to go. If you are going with ball joint front end, IRS rear, boom, shakalaka, it's all right here.